Very cheerful morning, dear kids. How are you all? Hope you are all fit and fine. Yes, today is Thursday and we are going to learn EVS subject. Yes. Do you like to visit jungle? Come along with me. Yes, dear kids, look at here. What is this? Oh, lion. What is this? Lion. Okay. Yes, which animal is this? Look at here. This is a tiger. Tiger. Which animal is this? Tiger. Tiger. Oh, what is this? This is a rabbit. Cute rabbit. Okay. What is this? This is a rabbit. Cute rabbit. Oh wow, what is this? There beautiful ducks are swimming in the pond. Okay, look at here. What a wonderful ducks are here. Wow. Now what is this? This is squirrel. Wow. It is so nice now. Okay. What is this? Squirrel. I hope you all enjoyed visiting jungle. Yes. Today we are going to learn about the topic about my sense organ, that is Samvedak Ang. Samvedak Ang. Okay. Now what is the meaning of my sense organs? So let's see. Take out your EVS textbook. Take out your EVS textbook and page number 8. Page number 8. Okay. These are our sense organ. Okay. So let's see which are the main sense organ. First is ears. Ears से हम क्या करते बताइए? Yes, we used to hear टाइप्स ऑफ साउंड्स. हमको तरह तरह की आवाजें सुनाई देती है ना. We use ear to hear the sounds. Okay. Now second one is nose. What is the use of nose? Nose से हम क्या करते हैं? Nose से हम स्मेल लेते हैं, है ना. We used to smell different types of things. मम्मा ने कौन सी आज नई डिश बनाई है ना. फ्लावर की कौन सी खुशबू आती है. ओके. सो डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ स्मेल वी यूज टू. यस. आफ्टर नोज व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ आवर आईज? आईज से हम क्या करते हैं? वी यूज टू सी होल वर्ल्ड थ्रू आवर आईज, है ना. आप 1 मिनट के लिए आईज क्लोज कीजिए. क्लोज योर आईज. देखिए आपको कुछ दिख रहा है? नो, नथिंग, है ना. वी सी विद आवर आईज, है ना. बर्ड्स, फिर पूरा एलिफेंट, फिर अपने गार्डन, है ना. तो बेटा वी सी विद आवर आईज. ओके. देन टंग. टंग से हम क्या करते हैं बताइए? वी यूज टू टेस्ट मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ थिंग्स लाइक आइसक्रीम मीठा है, देन लेमन इट इज सोर खट्टा है ना. हमको कैसे पता चलता है? थ्रू आवर टंग. ओके. देन स्किन से हमको क्या पता चलता है? स्किन से हमको ठंडी चीजें हैं या गरम चीज है ये. अगर से आपको कोई पिंच करेगा आपको दर्द होगा ना. आपको कोई मारेगा तो आपको दर्द होगा ना. सो वी फील थ्रू आवर स्किन. ओके. सो these are our 5 sensory organs. Okay. So I will read it now. I hear with my ears. हम हमारे कानों से सुनते हैं। कानों से क्या करते हैं हम? सुनते हैं। I hear with my ears. I hear with my ears. Okay. Then I smell with my nose. I smell with my nose. I smell with my nose. Okay. Then I see with my eyes. I see with my eyes. I see with my eyes. Okay. Then I taste with my tongue. I taste with my tongue. I taste with my tongue. Okay. Then I feel with my skin. I feel with my skin. हमको महसूस करते हैं कैसे? स्किन के थ्रू. ओके. I feel with my skin. Okay. Now we will write all this sensory organ in our EVS textbook. So first take out page number EVS textbook and page number, which page number? Page number 1111. Okay. Now look of the pictures of sense organs with their names and function. One is done for you. Yes. Dear kids, I think you understood what is the sense organ. Yes. Through eyes, what we used to do? See. Okay. Like the same way, tongue. So you have to write tongue here. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Through tongue, what we do? What we taste. T-A-S-T-E. Taste. Okay. And through nose. First you have to write the spelling of this picture. Nose. Through nose, what we used to do? Smell. We can take smell. So S-M-E-L-L. Smell. Okay. Now this is our ear. E-A-R. Ear. Through ear, what we do? We can hear the sound. So H-E-A-R. Hear. Okay. Then through skin, yes, we feel through the skin. So we have to write skin spelling now. S-K-I-N. Skin. स्किन से हम क्या करते बेटा? फील. वी फील थ्रू द स्किन. F-E-E-L. Feel. Okay. Now take out page number 1 to 12. Okay. What we have to do is, now you know the sensory organ. Now match the sense organs with correct pictures of their functions. Okay. Already you had learned about the sensory organs. Okay. Now we will match. Come on, tell me. सॉक्स से गंदी खुशबू आती है ना? सो हम किससे महसूस करेंगे उसको? बताइए. गंदी चीज़ों का स्मेल हम कैसे लेंगे? थ्रू आवर नोज. सो वेयर इज द नोज? यस. सो यू हैव टू मैच with nose. Okay, then lemon is sour. lemon जो है खट्टा है ना, तो हमको कैसे पता चलेगा? through our tongue. Then this is speaker. जोर जोर से आवाज आएगी स्पीकर से, तो हमको कैसे पता चलेगा? through our ear. Where is our ear? Yes, this is our ear. Through the ear we can hear the sound. Through our tongue we can taste the different types of things. Then through the nose we can smell. Okay, now we will read through our eyes. Where is the eyes? Okay. Go. Yes, this is our eyes. Okay, we will read through the eyes. Now ice cube. आपको पता है आइस क्यूब आप हाथ में पकड़ सकते हो? नो, ज़्यादा देर तक पकड़ के नहीं रख सकते. इट इज़ टू कोल्ड, है ना, बहुत ठंडा रहता है. तो हमको कैसे पता चलेगा? थ्रू स्किन. वेरी गुड. लाइक दिस वे यू हैव टू मैच द पेज नंबर 12. ओके, एंड next page number is 13. You have to draw and color the picture of your 5 sense organs. Do you know which are they? Yes, eyes, nose, tongue, then ear, then skin. So you have to draw all this and send it to me. This is your homework. Write here HW. Okay, this is your homework, page number 13. I hope you understood this topic very well. Yes. Now see you in next class. Bye bye. Take care.